Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this cute little snow king together. Let's get started. First, connect 4 pipe cleaners together. Then wrap them around a pen. Thread 1 pipe cleaner through the center. Pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Trim off the excess, then tuck the wire end inside. Adjust the shape until it looks even and balanced. Connect 3 more pipe cleaners and wrap them around the pen just like before. Thread a pipe cleaner through the center, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Thread it through the center like this, apply glue, then secure it in place. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Fold the wire end inward. Fold a red pipe cleaner in half and place it around the neck. Measure the right length, then twist tightly to secure. Trim off the excess. Apply glue and secure it in place. Adjust it until it looks even and balanced. Next, fold 2 1.5 cm pieces of pipe cleaner and roll them like this to make the arms. Make 2 arms, then glue them in place. Attach red pipe cleaner behind the arms to make the cape. Cover this section completely. Fold the pipe cleaner into 3 pointed sections like this, then twist tightly to secure. Trim it to create 3 pointed tips. Trim off the excess, then add decorative accessories with glue if you have any. Glue everything securely in place to finish the crown. Glue on the 6mm plastic eyes. Glue on the mouth. Fold a pipe cleaner and trim one end into a point to make the nose. Trim off the excess, then glue it in place. Measure the right length to make the ice cream cone-shaped scepter. Wrap a section about 1 centimeter long. Trim away some of the fuzzy fibers so the handle gradually becomes thinner. Roll it into a circle like this, then add some white pipe cleaner. Apply glue and attach it. Trim and adjust the shape, then glue it securely in place. And our little Snow King is finished. Save this video and give it a try. See you in the next video.